Static content tells a story. Dynamic design makes people live it. If you are still using bullet points for company history, you're losing your audience. Today, we're ditching the boring lists and engineering a high-energy interactive narrative using the ElementsKit Timeline widget. Let's build something worth scrolling for. Before we dive in, ensure you have the ElementsKit Pro version active. This is a premium feature designed for elite design control. Efficiency is king. ElementsKit gives you a massive library of ready-made templates. Just browse for timeline, and once you see it, click insert. So here I'm searching for timeline. Then click the insert button and see, you have a pixel perfect layout ready for your content. It's the ultimate shortcut for tight deadlines. Here, let's start with content configuration. Under the timeline content repeater, you can add your milestones. Here, the timeline style is on vertical. You can choose it as horizontal, like this, but the vertical looks very good, so I'm keeping it as vertical. Then we have content style. In content style, we have the same side and both sides. So if you keep it as same side, it will appear like this. And if you select the both side, then it will look like that. And that looks very perfect, so I'm keeping it as both side. We have another option called alignment. You can keep it in the left, in the center, and in the right. So I'm keeping it in the center. After that, the line content. So you can change the content, line content here. Here you have the subtitle and title, then we have title link. So you can also input and add your link here. Then we have another option called description. So if you want to add any sort of description, you can put it here. Then you can choose also the icon, the title icon. So here are a lot of options, huge options of icons, so you can choose the one you need. Then we have another option which is date, which is appearing here. So you can choose the date there. Then we have address. So yeah, you can customize it the way you want. Then we have the repeater style, which is normal, and then we have another option which is called hover. So you can change the settings from here also. Well, after that, we have the other items, which is be productive and like here Merry Christmas. So the settings are same. You can also add item after clicking this option. So you can add new item here. See, it looks like that. Well, after that we have settings, and in settings we have the date icon. If you want to add any sort of icon in the date, you can use that. Then we have address icon. If you want to add the address icon, you can, but here I'm not using any sort of icons in the date and addresses. So after that, we have pinpoint style, which is mentioned in icon, and another is default. So I'm keeping it as icon. So that was it from the content tab. Now the styling masterclass. This is where your UI UX skills shine. Use the line settings to define the path and pinpoint to style the markers. Here we have alignment, left, center, right, and justify. So let's keep it right. Okay, now it looks perfect. So we have icon alignment, top, middle, and bottom. So let's keep it in the middle. So then we have padding, inner padding, and border radius. So if you want, you can change the borders. See? Well, after that, we have subtitle color and typography margin. You can customize all of this just by clicking here. So then we have separate options for arrow, then timeline info, then address. So yeah, then we have line and container. It also contains the settings here. Don't forget the advanced tab. You can use the settings to make the section look more professional with just a few clicks. Adding entrance animations like fade in up ensures each milestones capture attention as the user scrolls. If you prefer total creative control, you can also build this from scratch. So for this, go to the widget section, then search for timeline. Just drag and drop the ElementsKit badged timeline widget. See, you have this widget, and now you can customize it as per your content and style. So Finally, the responsive check. Ensure your vertical alignment and font sizes are optimized for mobile so the story remains eligible on all screens. Like that. So yeah, that was all. You have just turned a basic list into a visual journey. Level up your projects with ElementsKit Pro. Subscribe for more expert workflows.